self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was born on 5th November 1988 in Delhi, India, into a middle-class family. His father, Prem Kohli, was a significant influence in his early life, introducing him to cricket and nurturing his talent from a young age. Prem Kohli, a passionate cricket enthusiast, recognized Virat's potential and enrolled him at the West Delhi Cricket Academy, where he began his formal training under the guidance of coach Rajkumar Sharma. From his early days, Kohli demonstrated exceptional talent and a relentless work ethic, which laid a strong foundation for his future success in cricket. His dedication was evident through his rigorous training sessions and consistent performances in local matches, setting him on a path to become one of India's most celebrated cricketers. Virat Kohli's career took a significant leap when he was selected for the Indian Under-19 team. His performance in the 2008 ICC Under-19 World Cup was pivotal, as he played a crucial role in leading India to victory. His impressive display of skill and temperament during the tournament earned him a spot in the senior national team. Kohli made his one-day international (ODI) debut in August 2008 against Sri Lanka. His aggressive batting style, combined with sharp cricketing instincts, quickly distinguished him as a formidable player. Over the years, he established himself as a key player for India, known for his consistent performances and ability to handle pressure situations with ease. Virat Kohli is renowned for his aggressive and dynamic batting style, which has made him one of the most influential players in modern cricket. As a right-handed batsman, Kohli is known for his ability to chase down daunting targets and accumulate runs rapidly across all formats of the game. His technical proficiency and powerful hitting have earned him numerous records and accolades. Beyond his batting prowess, Kohli's commitment to fitness and his rigorous training regimen have played a significant role in his longevity and sustained success in international cricket. His leadership qualities and strategic acumen on the field have also been highly praised. Virat Kohli's public image is characterized by his fierce competitiveness and charismatic leadership. His on-field aggression and confident demeanor have made him a media favorite, though they have occasionally led to controversies. Despite this, he remains highly respected within the cricketing community for his skill and dedication. Kohli's interactions with fans and the media are often candid and reflective of his passionate nature. His straightforward approach and willingness to speak his mind have endeared him to many, contributing to his status as a prominent and influential figure in the sport. Virat Kohli's personal life has garnered significant media attention, particularly his relationship with Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma. The couple married in December 2017, and their union was celebrated by fans and the media alike. In January 2021, they welcomed their first child, a daughter named Vamika. Their family life has been a subject of public interest, with the couple often sharing glimpses of their life together. On 15th February 2024, in London, Kohli and Sharma welcomed their second child, a baby boy named Akai. Kohli is also known for his philanthropic efforts, including his support for various causes through the Virat Kohli Foundation, which focuses on helping underprivileged children and promoting sports. Beyond his cricketing career, Virat Kohli has made notable contributions through his foundation and business ventures. The Virat Kohli Foundation supports underprivileged children and aims to promote sports and education. Kohli has also ventured into the business world, making investments in fashion and fitness sectors. His entrepreneurial spirit and dedication to social causes reflect his commitment to making a positive impact beyond the cricket field. Virat Kohli's cricketing career is marked by numerous achievements and records. He is renowned for being one of the fastest players to reach significant milestones in ODIs, including 1,000, 5,000, 8,000, 9,000, and 10,000 runs. Kohli has also been a key player in India's Test and T20 teams, contributing to major victories such as the historic Test series win against Australia in 2021. His career is distinguished by his consistency, aggressive batting, and ability to perform under pressure. Honors: Virat Kohli has received numerous awards and accolades for his outstanding performances on the field. Some of his notable honors include ICC ODI Player of the Year 2012, 2017 recognizing his exceptional performances in one-day internationals, ICC Test Player of the Year 2018 awarded for his remarkable achievements in Test cricket, Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for ICC Player of the Year 2017 acknowledging his overall excellence in international cricket, Padma Bhushan 2020 India's third highest civilian award honoring his contributions to sports, Arjuna Award 2013 awarded for his outstanding achievements in cricket. Virat Kohli's journey from a young aspiring cricketer to one of the most celebrated figures in the sport exemplifies his hard work, dedication, and resilience. His impact on cricket, both as a player and a leader, continues to inspire and influence the game worldwide. Kohli's story is a testament to the power of self-belief and perseverance, embodying the essence of his own quote, "Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success."